In this episode, I'm continuing on with my laundry room makeover. So if you're interested in seeing what I did today, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, Decorating on the Budget. This portion of the video is sponsored by the Smart Dog Bark Collar. They contacted me and they asked me to review this product. Now the product they sent me was the Smart Dog Barking Control Collar. Now this is how it came packaged. It comes with the instruction book and a warranty on the product. Now inside you have the collar, and the collar is a very large collar. The collar comes for the sizes small, medium, and large dog. As you see, the collar is long. It also comes with a USB charger cable. It includes other attachments for the dog collar. Now this is a 4 training mode, 5 adjustable senses trainer. It has an LED screen along with a light bar. It holds a 15-day long battery life charge, which I really think is really great. Now this I really like. It has an adjustable targeted area, so you can set this up for your dog and train how strong you want the pulse to be to stop your dog from barking. I think this is a really nice product, and I got this product for, as my daughter calls it, my new granddaughter. So you will see her having on this dog collar. Now, if you're interested in this dog collar, I will have information down below in the description. And when you go to them, let them know that Stephanie sent you. Well, I'm back to it. This is day 2 in the laundry room. Now I'm getting the plastic ready so I can start to paint. Now I'm doing this all by myself, as I said, so I do a little bit at a time, no rush. So just stick around and see how it all turns out, and we'll talk at the end. Now here is a picture of the edger that I'm using. I can attach it to a pole, which I have done in this room to try to get this ceiling painted. Now I'm not the average painter. I just don't get up and paint every day and enjoy it. But I wanted the ceiling painted because you can tell it is a totally different color from the wall. So my husband also didn't want me to paint. He told me to wait so he could hire somebody, but I would have rather done this myself, which I did, and I think I did a pretty good job at getting it painted. So the only downfall I found for this tool is that it doesn't turn any other way. It only stays at that angle, and like when you're pulling back from the ceiling and going all the way across, you have to turn it a different direction to get it to go the other way. You have to practically turn the pole around the opposite way and then come back and meet where you stopped at. And I think that's the only downfall, because I would much rather have kept the pole in one direction and go all the way down. But I did get it done. So I'm going to stop babbling and let you watch. Here's the cabinet that's going in my laundry room. My goal was to paint this today, but my husband hired a handyman to come and hang this cabinet and cut the other shelf and put the new cabinet in. So I'm going to wait until he does that, and then I'm going to paint everything together: the cabinet, the shelf, the door, the trim, and the other door. Makes better sense that way. So I think that'll all work out. Now, I brought out the vent cover in the laundry room, and I have my Rust-Oleum white paint that I'm going to paint it so, because the ceiling is painted, that it'll all mash together. I didn't like the tone, the color of it. It didn't go with the white ceiling. It just stood out so bad. And my plan is to take down all the vent covers in the house and paint them this color white, so they'll go with my walls. So let me know down below what you think of everything I've done today and the products that I did review. And don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up It doesn't hurt you, but it helps me. And I'll see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you'll be blessed.